In this video, I will show you how to change your map settings on Google Maps. To do this, first just open up Google Maps and in the top right, click on your profile picture and there go to Settings. Now here you already have a lot of options. For example, if you click Navigation, you can choose the audio and your route options such as avoiding tolls, avoiding highways, ferries, preferring fuel efficient routes, etc. Now for the map display, you can make it automatic, day or night. You can also choose to show 3D buildings or not, keep the map north up, show speed limits, the speedometer, saving parking locations, and there's a lot more that you can go through here. What you can also do is turn on dark mode. When you turn this on, you will see the entirety of Google Maps now becomes dark. So you can do that if you want. You can also turn it off. So from there you can really change any settings you want that are available, such as your home addresses, the temperature and distance units, video settings, etc. So now you know how to change your map settings on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.